Welcome to today's live market opening report. So as we expected, seems to be a gap down. Very simple. See, these tricks are very simple. It has been working for me. So we have been looking at all these very simple tricks. So again, I'm repeating this trick. Whenever market closes at day's low, obviously the momentum is going to carry for the next day, and we are going to see either flat to negative bias. In case as an option strategy, if somebody wants to take an trade. So what I can suggest as a plain vanilla strategy, you can do it as bear call. So whenever market gaps down, that means whenever it is closing at the day's low, you can expect a gap down or a flat closing, so flat opening. For that, you always take a bear call spread. It depends upon which is the risk you want to take. Based on that, you can select the strike. But moreover, when the market is closing at the day's low, then take bear call. Again, if at all, if the market is closing at the day's high, then obviously it is a bull put spread. So you can decide based on your risk appetite, which is the strike you wanted to grow. So this is a very simple trick. And moreover, if you ask me now what is going to happen, again, we have seen that last 3-4 days the ranges was consolidating, and if you look at the view, again I'm going to say it's going to be a ping pong. But moreover, today is a Tuesday and Fin Nifty expiry is there on Tuesdays regularly. So based on that, we may get a trending move or we may get a huge reversal move also. So play a little safely, that's what I would say. Looking at market opening, so Nifty is currently around 926, so down by 100 points, whereas Bank Nifty is down by 220 points. So India VIX is flat, almost flat, so nothing to worry in terms of India VIX. If you compare global market, all were falling for the last 2 to 3 days, and moreover global wise VIX is also rising, but at least from our side our VIX is at least stabilizing below 20. So that is the one good thing you can look as an optimistic point from the market perspective. You leave about the bulls or bears, but looking at the market participant, always when the volatility is little lesser, or when the stables, when the fear is not there, so that means stable, it is good. So if you look at institutional outflow, so yesterday if you look at the FI into DI number, obviously again it is more than 600 crore net outflow. So generally I don't look at exact numbers. What I do is I just take over is selling, over is buying, whether it's a net outflow or inflow, only that I take it as my decision making. In terms of, it is not a decision making point, it is just a confirmation point, because if you are a keen watcher of our YouTube channel and the regular views, I've been saying the 3 days back itself, the bearishness has kicked in from the price around 37,800, okay, as a chart wise. So from there it is selling off, and moreover all these days whatever the bearishness I was following as a chart setup, it was just confirming by the institutional data point of view also. And moreover, if you look at yesterday data, in terms of option data also, it was heavy rating in the call. As soon as we open in the morning, again, so it is at the lower range of the consolidation zone. So what you need to look at is try to concentrate more on the put writing activities or the put unwinding activities at the lower zone. So maybe you get a clear clue about it. Don't look at the call rating, because I always say whenever market is coming down, don't look at the call rating. Again, when the market is rising, don't look at put rating, because it is, you treat like a football player. So you need to see how the opponent is doing. So that way when the market is falling, you just need to concentrate more on the put side, what is happening, rather than whether it is building far away in the calls or exactly at the calls. So don't look at that aspect, because I don't analyze in that scenario. So what I feel is lower end of the band, and moreover always daily it is gapping down, and moreover for the first 20 to 30 minutes it is consolidating the negative bias, but thereafter a small rally towards the resistance is happening. So even today I am expecting that, and moreover I am little bearish, so it would be like favorable for me if it breaks the consolidation zone also. But please remember, today is a Tuesday, and moreover tomorrow is the expiry, because 14th of April, and moreover 15th also, like Friday also leave. So after that, so tomorrow is the expiry for the week, and after that you have a very long weekend, and please be aware of the fact what is going to happen after that. So I am also actually planning for a little kind of trip, so I may not be presenting tomorrow's report. From my team, one of my expert will be presenting tomorrow's view only for tomorrow, and moreover we will see how this is going to happen. So if you ask me now from here on what is your positioning, so most probably I am planning for the long weekend, and moreover I already said I was having bearish positions. So right now I can start booking my bearish positions. Okay, if at all I'm not going to initiate any long positions, so I'm already booking my short positions. If at all there is a price confirmation, so what you can see as a price confirmation is just wait for another 10 to 20 minutes. So first 30 minutes treat it as a base, and once the base holds and the higher high start forming on a little higher time frame, then you can expect market to at least go towards the yesterday close. And moreover, if it is going to again mark down the low, you will understand what is the game is going on in the market. So with that aspect, I'm trying to expect that it is going to again do a ping pong, and maybe for tomorrow expiry it may again do a ping pong and stay somewhere, so that it will just make people fearful for the long weekend, whether it is going to break the consolidation zone or not. If at all if it is going to break, then obviously it is going to break in a bigger way. So that kind of fear it will try to induce. That's what my expectation about market scenario right now. So I am not going to position anything bigger for the next 2 to 3 days. Might be like booking out or monetizing whatever the view I was having. So from here it is better to take very less positions even for the intraday, and moreover for the positional. So hope this was helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you later in the day to analyze what has happened at the end of the day. Thank you.